Welcome to this video. You don't need to be a data scientist to use data. We'll be demystifying analytics for the modern professional, brought to you by ForElite Training Institute. Why do people experience data phobia? Many avoid data because it feels overly technical, often mistaking having data for writing code. This intimidation locks away valuable insights from decision makers. Basic data skills can lead to elite results. You don't need to build the engine to drive the car effectively. Understanding key metrics is about pattern recognition, not advanced math, and it significantly improves performance. Follow the good enough rule of data. 80% of professional wins come from the top 20% of basic insights. Data literacy is about asking the right questions, and being able to read a trend line is highly valuable. Simplification is key. Our mission is to translate data speak into results speak. Learn to identify the metrics that truly move the needle in your role, and turn confusing dashboards into clear action plans. Our training programs offer simplified analytics for non-technical professionals. We focus on the so what of data, not just the how. Join the elite and gain the confidence to lead with numbers. Ready to stop fearing the data and start using it? Master your performance with ForElite. Join the elite today by contacting us via email, phone, or visiting our website listed here.